Imagine a city nestled between two glistening lakes where the northern lights dance in the winter skies, a real winter wonderland. Welcome to Tampere, Finland, or as the locals call it, Tampere, Finland. Located at the heart of the country, Tampere, fondly known as the Pearl of the North, radiates a unique charm. A city once at the epicenter of Finland's industrial revolution, today Tampere stands as a testament to Suomi's resilience and transformation. Begin your journey with a walking tour of Tampere's city center, where you'll experience the city just as it is. From the rhythmic hum of machinery to the harmonious rhythm of a vibrant, modern city, Tampere's evolution is nothing short of poetic. It's a city that's embraced its past while daring to dream of the future. Bounded by the serene waters of Nasijärvi and Pyhäjärvi, Tampere offers a walk-through between two worlds, the tranquil calm of the lakes and the bustling energy of the city center. It's a juxtaposition that makes Tampere City, Finland, truly special, a city where nature and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. You walk, you'll find yourself caught in the enchanting tango rhythm of city life, the city's heritage buildings whispering tales of a time gone by. The red brick buildings that once housed bustling factories are now home to trendy restaurants, quirky boutiques, and innovative startups. Where once stood the heart of Finland's industrial might, now pulsates a vibrant cultural hub. Tampere is also a city of innovation, a city that dares to dream. Amidst its historical architecture, you'll find state-of-the-art technology parks and research centers, a testament to the city's commitment to progress. It's an experience that invites you to meditate on the city's transformation recorded in 4K, enhancing your walking tour of Tampere and Helsinki. Wrap up your travel video with a traditional Finnish sauna, an integral part of Tampere city life. And yet, despite its rapid transformation, Tampere has managed to preserve its soul. It's a city that embraces its past while looking forward to the future. Experience this 4K video in binaural audio, walking through Tampere's captivating blend of history, nature, and modernity. Tampere invites you to immerse in its charm, to be a part of its story, and to lose yourself in its vivacity. As we venture deeper into Tampere, prepare to be enchanted by its charm and vivacity, amplified by the 3D audio effect. Welcome to Tampere, the city that demands to be explored, to be experienced, to be loved. Discover the beating heart of Tampere, a travel destination in the vibrant Tampere region. At the city center lies the bustling central square, an epitome of activity and one of the top things to do in Finland. Beyond just being a meeting point for locals and tourists, it's a dynamic canvas, showcasing the city's culture and lively spirit. Day after day, the square buzzes with a multitude of events, from inviting farmers markets to exuberant music festivals. These city walks recorded in 4K videos are popular among walking video enthusiasts. The central square is also a beacon for celebrations, making it a prime spot for winter walks. The city's most joyous moments unfurl here, whether it's the festive midsummer festivities or the magical Christmas markets that metamorphose the square into a snow city, epitomizing winter in Finland. However, the square isn't only about events and walking-at-home videos. Lying adjacent, you'll discover the Tampere Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece that's a testament to the city's artistic flair and historical heritage. Its jaw-dropping frescoes and unique architecture make it a must-visit landmark among the things to do in Finland, Helsinki. Here our journey, documented in walking videos, continues to a place where the city's history breathes life. Welcome to the Finlayson Center, an iconic landmark in Tampere, Finland, and a testament to Tampere's rich industrial past. Nestled in the heart of the city, this former cotton mill stands as a grand symbol of Tampere's transformation, a quiet town to a bustling industrial city. The story of this transformation began in the early 19th century, when Scottish industrialist James Finlayson saw potential in Tampere's fast-flowing Tammerkoski rapids. He established a cotton mill here in 1820, marking the beginning of an industrial revolution in Tampere, Finland. Later, the city became the home to the renowned Tampere University in Finland. The Finlayson Center, named after its founder, was the epicenter of this industrial growth. Its red brick buildings and towering chimneys, remnants of Finland's Tampere city's history, were filled with hum of looms, the clatter of machinery, and the hustle of factory workers. Now, the Finlayson Center has embraced a new role as an entertainment hub in Tampere, Finland. The center houses the prestigious Tampere University in Finland along with a plethora of art galleries and museums. These offer a fascinating glimpse into the city's industrial past and the lives of the workers who fueled its growth. And it's not just about the past. The city of Tampere in Finland proudly showcases its present, with a variety of eateries that offer culinary delights, reflecting the vibrant culture of Finland. Tampere, Finland, beautifully merges its rich history with a vibrant present. This transition is further reflected in the Finland tax rate structure, which has supported the city's growth, and the temperature, displaying the country's distinct seasons. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, syncing with the Finland time, blending with the rhythm of modern life. Let's leave the echoes of the past behind, and step into a world of serene tranquility. Next, we're off to explore the peaceful oasis that is Pienikki Park and Observation, located in the heart of Tampere, Finland. So adjust your Finland time difference and stay tuned. Welcome to Pienikki Park, a green oasis in the heart of Tampere City, Finland. Our 4K video walking tour starts in this verdant retreat, a testament to Tampere's commitment to preserving nature. Often referred to as the lungs of Tampere, Pienikki Park is where locals and tourists find solace amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. As you walk through the park's labyrinth of trails, every twist and turn bring a new spectacle of nature's grandeur. Embrace as it is and meditate on the calming rustle of leaves, the soft crunch of gravel underfoot, and the sweet scent of pine. The park is a year-round attraction, a snowy winter wonderland in winter, and a cool refuge in the height of summer. Now let's shift focus to the Pienikki Observation Tower, a beacon tall amidst the verdant expanse. This 4K video offers a panoramic sweep of Tampere City, Finland, where the cityscape meets the sky. From this vantage point, the city's landmarks are but miniature figurines set against a backdrop of azure skies and shimmering surface of the two lakes, Näsijärvi and Pyhäjärvi, that border the city. But the tower isn't just for sightseeing, it houses a culinary secret sure to delight your taste buds. Here, the aroma of freshly baked donuts mingles with the invigorating scent of pine, creating a sensory experience that's uniquely Tampere, Finland. These donuts, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and dusted with sugar, make a perfect accompaniment for the panoramic views. Our walking tour continues beyond the tranquility of Pienikki, and we prepare for a unique culinary adventure. This park, with its perfect blend of natural beauty, panoramic views, and delectable donuts, is a testament to the charm of Tampere City, Finland. Enjoy the binaural 3D audio experience of our walking tour before we move on to the city center of Tampere. Tuning into the rhythm of Finland, we invite you to experience the vibrant rhythm of tango and the soothing warmth of a traditional Suomi sauna. Join us on this immersive journey and visit Finland through our 4K travel video, as we promise to make your virtual visit to Helsinki and Tampere a memorable one. Every travel destination has a distinct character, and Tampere, located in the scenic Tampere region of Finland, is no exception. It's a flavor-filled city that leaves an indelible impression, especially when explored on a winter walk. Embarking on a culinary journey in Tampere is akin to revealing a treasure trove of flavors, where every dish narrates a tale of its rich history and culture. This city walk is nothing short of a feast for the senses, making it one of the essential things to do in Finland. One cannot visit Tampere without sampling the city's iconic dish, musta makara, also known as black sausage. This traditional Finnish delicacy is a hearty concoction of pork, blood, and crushed rye. Imagine a cold winter in Finland, with snowflakes gently falling, and you're walking at home through 4K videos, vicariously savoring this dish. Central to the city's culinary offerings, it's typically served with lingonberry jam and a pint of cold milk at the bustling Tammelantori market. But Tampere's culinary scene extends beyond traditional dishes. It's also about embracing new trends and flavors in the city center. The city boasts a thriving cafe culture, where locals and visitors alike can enjoy a leisurely of coffee, paired with a slice of pulla, another Finnish staple. It's a winter walk right from the comfort of home, making you feel as if you are right there, experiencing one of the exciting things to do in Finland. These cafes are a testament to Tampere's love for art and creativity. Many double as art galleries, showcasing local talent, while others host live music, creating an atmosphere that's hard to resist. They're integral parts of the city walk, making a winter in Finland feel warm and inviting. As Christmas approaches, the city transforms into a snow city, with Christmas markets springing up around every corner. These markets are lush with fresh produce and local specialties, including the freshly grilled musta makara. Strolling through these markets, even virtually through our high-quality videos and walking videos, is among the top things to do in Finland, Helsinki, making it a unique travel destination. Whether it's the lure of a traditional market, the inviting aroma of a cozy cafe, or the tantalizing taste of musta makara, Tampere's culinary scene is a sensory feast. It's a city that invites you to sit down, take a bite, and savor the flavors sculpted by its rich history and vibrant culture. With our taste delighted, it's time to wrap up our winter walk and 4K walking video of this incredible city. Our expedition through Tampere, Finland has showcased a city of contrasts. As city that harmoniously intertwines the old with the new, Tampere has unfolded a myriad of experiences for us. Our journey began at the city's industrial cradle, the Finlayson Center, a monument to Tampere's rich history. Its red brick walls spoke volumes of a time when this city, Tampere in Finland, was the backbone of Finland's industrial revolution. Our path led us to the lively central square, a dynamic nucleus of life in Finland Tampere city. A place where the pulse of the present resonates. The square boasts modern architecture intermingling seamlessly with historical buildings. A heart that exudes vitality. It mirrors the heartbeat of the people of Tampere, Finland, and their continually evolving culture. Our journey also took us to the serene confines of Piniki Park, a haven of tranquility. Its lush greenery and panoramic view from the observation tower reminded us of the natural wonder that Tampere, Finland is bestowed with. Amid the buzz of the city, it offered a serene escape, a place where nature and humans coexist peacefully. Next, we embarked on an exceptional culinary venture that introduced us to the unique tastes of Tampere University, Finland. We reveled in the delicious musta makara, this city's iconic black sausage, and indulged in the sugary delight of monkey, a traditional Finnish donut. Each mouthful was an epiphany, a testament to the culinary heritage and creativity of Finland Tampere University. From the historical roots of this city to its modern vibrancy, from its tranquil natural scenery to its enticing cuisine, the University of Tampere, Finland, has presented us with a rich, multifaceted experience. The Finland tax rate, Finland temperature, and even the Finland time difference all play their part in shaping a city that celebrates its past while embracing the future. A city that respects its natural surroundings while thriving with urban dynamism. A city that cherishes its culinary heritage while experimenting with new flavors. As we bid farewell to Tampere University in Finland, remember this Finnish gem is eager to welcome you in person. Until you experience its charms, the tax rate in Finland, Finland time, and Finland temperature for yourself, stay curious, stay adventurous.